throughout the world.
Hi everyone, I'm Sinampua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now today I'm at home Thursday morning, so I've got Martin coming and fix up my kitchen. So we have this kitchen drawer issues for a couple of years. We didn't find anyone who would be able to help us. We tried to fix it ourselves, it didn't work. So here's Martin. So can we talk about hang on, how do I put it? Okay, here's Martin helping me, and his man here helping me too. Cool. So Martin, can you please explain to me what you're doing at the moment?
Right, yeah, so we're working on these old kitchen units that are approximately, I don't know, 15 to 20 years old.
Yep.
Unfortunately, the bracketry that holds the front part of the drawer onto the back part of the drawer,
which a lot of people's kitchen may have this issue, right?
Yeah, with this age, the castings are starting to crack and break. Obviously, a lot of force pulling them back and forth.
Yes.
So we're replacing pieces that connect them on. Through here, they can crack and break.
Yes.
So we're replacing the side units with a new modern one, which actually contains a plastic piece in there which you can just swap out if that ever does get damaged.
Oh,
rather than
cool.
the whole thing, which will bring the cost down in future repairs if it's ever needed. But this is a quality brand of side piece there. Heckish is the brand, so I really wouldn't expect them to fail in anything shorter than the period that these other ones have lasted for anyway. So by then you're more than likely to be changing your kitchen within the next 20 years anyway. So
cool.
Quite a simple, just straightforward like-for-like replacement. They obviously come in a variety of sizes for the different heights of the doors, and so it's just a straightforward replacement in those. And then we're rehanging the pantry door here with new hinges on that, so as that all works.
Just like this one,
and
the one's working
this
now.
small one here that we've already done, and already replaced the hinges on that.
Yeah.
So that all works beautifully now, rather than hanging off in pieces and being rather difficult to gain access.
You're right.
So that's us. That's Martin and my worker here, Corey, from Hamilton Renovations, working around at Suzanne's house. Cool. Doing, making life better.
Great, that's right. Okay, cool. Thank you, Martin.
You're welcome.
All right. So I actually put Martin's phone number with this video in the description. So if you're in Hamilton and Waikato, well, if you're looking for, if you have anything, broken, damaged in your house, you're looking for someone to fix it, Martin is the one who you need to go with. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.